everyone, it's LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and this is my second video in this series and my first painting video in the Phillip Island acrylic painting series. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. So today I'll be painting my very first video in my Phillip Island acrylic painting series, and as you can see here, I've done a light sketch of the image already, and today I'll be painting a view of Summerland Bay, Phillip Island, where the penguin parade begins. So, for the background, which is the sky, I'll be using some light primary blue toned down with a lot of white, and then I'll be using some reddish greens for the hills in the background, some light blues for the water which is reflecting the sky, and for the beach I'll be using some greyish yellows, as you can see. Okay, so the equipment which I'll be using today, first of all, an artist tripod easel to rest my canvas on, an art apron, a thin edge canvas by J Burrows, 45 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and of course a palette with my acrylic paints loaded on it, which are Parole Red, Yellow Mid, and Primary Blue, all by Matisse Derivan, and some acrylic impasto white by Global Colors, and these are toned down with some acrylic medium matte. And the brushes which I'll be using today are a Rigger brush, a filbert brush, a flat brush, a flat hog bristle brush, and an angle shader brush. And I'll also be using a water container to clean my brushes on and some paper towel to dry them on. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. The name of this painting is Crashing Waves on Summerland Beach. And as always, please take care to like, comment, share, subscribe, and continue to watch my channel content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.